If you're looking for budget accommodation in the St Pauli area of Hamburg, check out the Superbude. This place really is chilled out. You've got an area here to do work on the computers, or you can just go to the fridge here and grab some beers or a soft drink. There is an area provided for leaving your bags attached to a cycle lock just below the desk, but for extra security and my personal recommendation, I'd use these lockers. On to the rooms. The rooms are an amazing size for the price, and for a one-star hotel and hostel I was really surprised. An ensuite bathroom and shower are provided, and you've got all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. One slight drawback is that you only have one type of soap for everything, so if you wanted to buy shower gel or you wanted to buy soap, they do offer them downstairs for a good price, or go to the supermarkets nearby. Overall though, this is an amazing hostel for the price. It doesn't even feel like a hostel, it's more like a hotel with so much to it, a great location and a fantastic place to stay in Hamburg.